Hey, this is Diggy here from ForexHabits.com. Today it is Sunday, 28 October 2012, and we are looking at a daily chart of the Euro Japanese Yen. Now, let's start with the basics. First of all, the decline in the last years where it's been was this recent low back in July 2012 this year, and it hit a point of 94. Now, since then, it's rallied up to a point of 104. That's 1,000 pips to the upside. And we've had some pullbacks, but only minor ones, while the uptrend has remained intact. Now, it has gone exactly to this level, this horizontal level, which, as you can see, was the exact low in the spike back in April this year, and also here back in 2011, October, November. Now, this uptrend is still intact. The daily MACD histogram is still above the zero line. What we do have forming here is a negative divergence between the price action and the RSI on the daily, where it made a higher high here but a lower high on the RSI, and slow stochastics have crossed just around the 80 level, which is overbought. So it's likely that there is going to be more downside, and for now the top would be this horizontal resistance level at around 104.60. And we're going to head down, very likely first towards this trend line, which is currently around the 101.50 level. Now we've got the 50 moving average, exponential moving average, which coincides with that 101.50, and we've got the 100 exponential moving average on the daily chart, which is at around the 100.80 level. Now, as long as we manage to stay above this area, above this 100.80, 100.50, actually quite likely above the 100 level, then it is likely that there will still be more upside. So we're going to wait for this downside to happen. We're going to look at around about this level of this trend line at around 101.50. We're going to look on a 4-hourly chart when it gets there to see if we can get a profitable entry point to go long. But if we do not see any signals, we are not going to take a chance, because there is a chance, of course, that it can just break down through this, that it goes down together with the euro US dollar, that it goes down together with the global indices that are all looking weak. So there is a chance of this breaking down, but as long as it does remain above this 100 to 101 level, somewhere around there, we're going to look to go long at this area. Right now, what we could also do on Monday, when the Euro-Japanese Yen opens and we get to a level of about 103.20, we can attempt a short position with a stop above 103.90. Well, that is a 70 pip risk that you're taking for a potential 200 pip, 150 to 200 pip profit to the downside. So I think that is a good trade that we're looking for to start on Monday, if that plays out like that. If we don't reach the target of 103.20 as our entry level and it heads straight down, we're going to wait for it to see if it bases out at the bottom here and if we can take a long trade. So that's it for now. Be sure to head over to forexhabits.com, subscribe via email, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to be sure to get these updates in the future. Cheers.